Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And today I'm going to be reviewing our new and improved 2K Spy Watch. A little hot. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right-hand corner, or go down to the description below and click on the link there. This is an upgraded version of our popular 2K Spy Watch. This unit, along with our 2K pen camera, yield the highest video recording quality of any other body-worn camera we carry in the store, even at 30 frames per second. The camera itself is located right at the 12, with the top of the camera pointed towards a 6, making this the proper up and down orientation. The internal 16GB memory storage will hold about 3 hours of footage, though the battery life for each full charge lasts for just 1 hour, so you have a chance to offload your files and clear the memory each time you plug it into a computer for charging. Time and date stamping of the files recorded is accomplished through a Windows computer, though playback can be done on a Windows or a Mac. Beyond all that, this unit can even be water resistant at the turn of the microphone dial right here. Now we're going to switch over to a showing of the unboxing, and then we'll get into a demonstration for the product. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay everyone, so here we are at the unboxing for the 2K Ultra Spy Watch hidden camera. Let's go and open the box. Pretty tight, so just wiggle that out. We have the watch itself. Set that to the side for a moment. We have a foam insert, platform, and then the micro USB charge cable, which from a dead battery would take about 3 to 4 hours to recharge the unit fully. You can plug it into a computer or use a wall socket for that sort of process. Then we do have the manual. Yep. So this has everything that you need inside to operate the unit, step-by-step instructions, how to record a video, how to take photos, everything like that. So for the watch itself, pull that out. You'll see we do have the camera right here at the 12, and the top of the camera is actually facing towards the 6. So when you're wearing the watch, this will be the top of the camera, basically, looking straight out. Here you'll see there's a little blocker between the dial and the main body of the watch. That is keeping it so the time is not going, making so that you're not using battery while it's waiting in shipment or anything like that. So you can take that out as soon as you get the product. Then here is microphone hole. With that all the way out, you can actually use it for audio recording with your video. But if you were to close it on up, that would actually make it water resistant. So that helps in certain situations as well. And then on this side is the power button, the reset button in case any function gets stuck, and this is the charge port right here. Unscrew that, and there's that micro USB charge port. So that's everything that comes with the unit. Let's go ahead and get this set up for our real world demonstration. Let's go ahead and do that now.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check with your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Okay everyone, so right now we are in our back office and we're going to be doing a quality demonstration of our 2K Spy Watch. Now keep in mind that all the audio that you are currently hearing was recorded by the device itself. So right now I'm going to go sit down at the table here, sit with Kenny, and he's going to read us a review for the product. Hey Kenny, how you doing?
Doing good, how are you?
Great.
So, good quality camera. Just recently purchased this watch. I have tested a few cheaper ones from eBay and I have found those cameras to be very poor or not acceptable. Also with them, you cannot remove the timestamp, nor can you choose different resolutions, both of which you can do with this watch from SpyCentre. I decided to give this one a go after seeing their demonstration video. This watch certainly has the best camera I've seen on a spy watch thus far, and the sound is pretty decent too. Obviously don't expect top quality, but it is very acceptable. If you found another spy watch with a better camera, let me know, because I haven't.
All right, great. So now we're going to go ahead and take this outside for an outdoor demonstration. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alrighty folks, this is an outdoor demonstration for the 2K Spy Watch. Fairly nice day out here, if not a bit chilly. Wish I'd brought my jacket. Great, so that was our demonstration of how the 2K watch will operate. I hope you enjoyed it. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.